Before adding bigger and badder tires to your ride, there's a few things you need to know. Once you raise your vehicle up, a bigger tire is something you must have. Not all trucks are equal, so the tire that you're looking for your truck may not be the right tire for your application or the brand of your truck. If you want the wider, larger offset tires and wheels, a lot of your problems are clearance issues with your fender wells, and a lot of ways you can avoid it is having to trim some of the plastic from the inner fender wells and maybe even trim some metal. Another way you can avoid some of those clearance issues is maybe with a front bumper replacement. Everybody assumes that they can just come in here and get a leveling kit and just go with any tire they want. But a lot of times if you're running a leveling kit and you try to run a 22 by 14, even though it may be a 305 tire, a small tire, the clearance problem is the swing of the tire. You know, those are clearance issues that you're gonna run into with the wider wheels. You know, especially like on the different brands of trucks. Some trucks will clear them, some trucks won't. I mean, it just depends on what you're doing, how you're doing it, and what tire and wheel you plan to go with. With 20 years of experience, I can help you choose the right tire and wheel for your truck, so come see me, Lance, at Tough Trucking.